This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
This Walgreens cast and wound protector creates a waterproof barrier for daily hygiene. It seals around a cast or dressing to keep water and debris away. Measure from the wrist to elbow or from the ankle to knee before buying to ensure correct sizing. A snug fit prevents leaks and softening of dressings. The adjustable seal tightens comfortably without cutting circulation. Check that the opening sits at least 3.5 inches above the dressing edge for reliable coverage. First, dry the skin and the surrounding area thoroughly before you apply the protector. Unroll the sleeve and open the adjustable seal as wide as possible. Slide the protector over the cast or wound dressing slowly and evenly. Stop when the seal sits at least 3.5 inches above the dressing edge for extra safety. Tighten the seal until it feels snug but not constricting to circulation. Test under running tap water for leaks before taking a full shower. After each shower, rinse the protector with clean water and mild soap if needed. Hang the sleeve to air dry completely before storing to prevent odors or mold. Avoid submerging the protector for more than 30 minutes during use to limit pressure on seals. Inspect carefully for small tears, holes, or reduced elasticity before every reuse. Replace the protector immediately if you notice any leaks, tears, or seal damage. If you feel numbness or increased pain, remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.